Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 2022 and let me share with you how to use, how to customize and how to enable the eye comfort mode on this device. So we will begin with customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So first of all, let's tap on the settings, and here we have to find the display. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down to the color, and as you can see on the very first position we've got the night light, which is simply the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So of course you can turn it on without any customization just by tapping on the switcher here, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber or orangish, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, if you really like to use your device late at night, then this mode is totally for you. So let's customize it right now. Let's tap on night light directly, and as you can see we've got two different options thanks to which we can customize this mode. So first of all, we've got the intensity. Now we can change it just by using the switcher. By going to the left we can make it much cooler, and I would say it's almost invisible, and by going to the right we can make it much warmer. Trust me, in real life it's almost orange, so that's quite a strong effect. And here we've got the option schedule. Of course, about the intensity, you can set it just like you want to. You can set the option which is the most comfortable for you. And coming back to the schedule, we can tap on it, and here we've got three different options. The option none, which is currently applied, and it simply means that we have to turn it on and off manually every time we want to use it. We can turn it on at custom time, which I will show you in a second, and you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, which simply means that your device will decide when the sunset and sunrise are. They are probably network based or location based. So let me show you the second option. You can tap on it, and as you can see we've got the start time and end time. We can freely tap on start time and pick, for example, it can be like 2 p.m, tap on OK, and the end time at 6 a.m, whatever. As you can see, and the screen immediately changes the colors into those orangish tones. Of course it is because we are between the start and the end time. But let me turn off this option. And basically this is the whole customization of the night light or eye comfort mode, and then I can show you much faster access to it. So all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully, and as you can see, unfortunately not the night light will appear here. Let's go. That's the first, let's say the first page. So on the second page we've got the night light. No worries if you don't have it here. Just tap on this edit icon, scroll it down, and you will for sure find it here. You can tap on it, hold it down, and drag it to this first panel to just add it. So let me get back, and again here. So currently, as you can see, the night light is on, so you can turn it off just by tapping on it, and since it is not highlighted, the screen will get back to its normal state. Of course, you can turn it on the same way. So basically that's all. This is how to customize, how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your Motorola Razr 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.